In this video, I'll be going over Kittl Flows. Kittl Flows is a tool that Kittl has to offer, which you can turn so many different designs into more designs. So basically, you can take one idea that you have and create sort of like a flow chart of a bunch of different ideas and designs that can all work together. And this should make a lot more sense once I get further into the video. The page I'm on right now, you should be able to get to if you click on the link in the description below. This has a lot more information about Kittl Flows. So, for example, you can create like a logo or a brand. You can create like t-shirt designs. There's so many different options for you with Kittl Flow. So scrolling down here also, you can unlock 300 bonus credits right now. And this is an offer that they currently have. So if you are interested in that, you can just click claim your credits. It says right here, we'll share our favorites on Instagram and our weekly roundups. We'll also publish the best as its very own Kittl Flows official template. Claim your credits. You click on this. Create and share to unlock 300 bonus credits. Design something using Kittl Flows. Share it on your favorite social media network. Upload a screenshot and get rewarded. Offer can be claimed up to 3 times per user. You can read all this other information on the page in case you're interested in checking that out. But you just click on claim your credits, and then this page should pop up right here. So moving into what Kittl Flow actually is and more information about Kittl Flow. I'll just refresh this page so you can see what it should look like. There we go. And then I'm all logged in. So over here, this is where you can find templates. So once you're logged into your account, on the left side here, you click on templates, and then you can search templates up here, or you can just scroll down right here, creative flows. This is what we want to look at for Kittl Flows. You can click on Kittl Flows here as well. And then you can click on any of these designs if you would like to. I'll just scroll down so you can see a bunch of the different designs and some of the options. For example, there's the mosaic creator, the patch maker, soft pastel, 3D mascots. We have mini pop shops. Looks like this one's coffee tech. Looks like text effects. I think I'm not gonna try to explain or try to pronounce that. You can create so many different items. You have clothing and so much more. So you have 3D text effects, 3D element creator, which is actually one that I have open right now. And then also this one is Chrome text effects. So basically you start with an input or like an idea pretty much. So right here we have input, and I got this awesome, really cool dog image from the options over here from illustrations. I'm pretty sure that's where I found this dog. And then for the Chrome ones, you have like the Chrome text effects, your cover, you can do your input board. And then what you do is you add these smart boards, and basically these ideas flow off of your main input idea. So for example, these are the 3D element creator, like the template that is here. So originally this had like a smiley face in there, and I'll just click on this so you can see what I'm talking about. So it makes more sense because I already changed part of this around to get a feel for how Kittl Flows works. And I'll just give that a minute to load. So this is the template for the 3D element creator. You just click use template in case you want to use that. So originally this was a smiley face right here in the input. And then, oh, I zoomed in too far. And then the smartboard right next to the smiley face is this butterfly. So what I did is I changed, oh, I went to the wrong one. Let's go down here. Is I changed the input to this really cool dog image, and then I edited the smartboard over here, like the information, and created a new butterfly. So you can see the difference, like how these two are related. You can look at the smartboard, like the information right here, create a butterfly in neon purple, orange, and white, in the exact same glossy 3D style, make it smile. So for this one, I did create a butterfly in the, well, I guess I missed a letter there, in the exact same 3D style, make it smile. So you can create a new smartboard like off of this one if you want to do something else. So, or you can go up here and do another smartboard, or I could change this to make it the similar style. So just giving an example of how this works. For this butterfly, let's see here. Let's see, what do we want to do? So I want to stick with the same style. So maybe I'll do create. I think we want to do something with a butterfly still. Maybe a different color. Say create a pink butterfly in the same, let's see, I have to remember exactly what I put here. In the same 3D style. In the same 3D style. And smiling. We'll just do and smile. And smile. Let's see, what else could we add here? Let me see what else is up here. This one is, we want exact same, create a flower. Oh, maybe we could add, let's do like on a flower bush. I'm not sure. I might have put too much in there. Create a butterfly in the exact same 3D style. Make it smile on a flower bush. Let's see. Let's just see what happens. So here, then you put your aspect ratio that you want. Oh, I accidentally put this in the wrong one. Oof. Let's just copy and paste. We're just going to do that. Create a pink butterfly. I want create a pink butterfly. There we go. And so you can change the aspect ratio if you would like to. You can change the quality, and you can change it to transparent background or not. Let's stick with a transparent background, and then you'll just click generate. I really hope that I didn't make that confusing. But then you can add new smartboard here. You can go through all the options. So while that's generating, there will be like, it'll just say generating right there. I'll show you the Chrome effects one. So similar idea where you have like your input board, and then you can just go through, you can put in what kind of effects you want, what kind of style, and then if you really liked one, so if you really liked like this pink one here, but you wanted it to be just a slightly different color or something like that, you could just do a new smartboard and change it a little bit, or input exactly what you're looking for, and to get the same style but different color, things like that. So it's really cool where it's really just flows. Like it's, I mean, I know the name is Kittl Flows, or this tool is called Kittl Flows, but it really is just like a flow chart, which is just really cool. And you just stick with your input board, and then you can move on to all your different ideas. So you can use this for if you're trying to get a bunch of different logos, if you just like really quickly need some designs, like there's so many different ways that you can use this tool. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So this is a butterfly now with the same design, but pink instead, and also on a flower bush. Not sure if that is exactly a bush. I know this isn't like there isn't a lot of room here for the design. Like I feel like this is pretty small size, but I think I can call that a flower bush, or there's at least multiple flowers there. So yeah, we'll count that. Oh, and also, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm going to zoom in. Look at the little images around. Same as this one. Like, I'm not sure what that is, but the spots or paint, or I'm not sure, but that is really cool. And yeah, so literally, if you just need a bunch of different images, this is such an easy way. You could just keep doing more, keep going. If you want to stick with the same butterfly, change things up, you could go to another image or like another 3D element. There's so many different options that you can use for this tool. And there's so many others than only that one or the two that I showed as well. Like you have all of these that you can use, and these are just templates. So you can get creative with this if you would like, and you can try using this for like logos, or like this one is 3D game assets. That's really cool. You could try using it for like this one is a shirt maker, different products, apparel. And yeah, I really love the 3D element creator. This one is really fun to work with. I do want to thank Kittl for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll have a link in the description below in case you want to check out Kittl Flows. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know in the comments, and I greatly appreciate you watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.